In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a pull-off on your ukulele. So the whole idea of a pull-off, often people feel like they've got to just lift their finger off their fret, and that will give the next lower note a chance to ring out. It's not always the case. Watch this. So I'm going to play on my 3rd fret. Now when I say on my 3rd fret, I don't mean on top of it, but right behind it. I'm going to pluck that. I lifted my finger off. Well, why didn't it ring? Well, it's because it was kind of a passive movement. So if I go like this, pull off, literally, the string doesn't necessarily keep ringing. You have to keep that string ringing. Now notice when I do my pull off this time, I'm a lot more active with this finger. I play my note. Do you see what I did there? I plucked my note, and instead of lifting my finger up and away, I essentially plucked that string again. So you pick and do your pull off by making a circular motion. Okay? See that? Okay. So pull off, pluck your fretted note, just like that. Now you can pull off from a fretted note to an open string, or from one fretted note to another. Okay? Now in order to do that comfortably, it's good to have both fingers down. Sometimes people will do this and teeter-totter their fingers back and forth. That will make your pull-off not very successful. Try this. Have your first finger on, I've got it on my 3rd fret, so try that with me, and put a finger, either your ring finger or your baby finger, depending on how big your hands are, on, say, the 5th fret. Now I've got to keep my index finger planted firmly on my 3rd fret in order for this to work out. I'm going to pluck my 5th fret, and remember how I was active with my pull-off. I made that circular motion. There you go. You can do that on any string, right? And move around from one fret to another. Sounds kind of neat, hey? Here's a fun thing that you can do with those pull-offs. I'm going to play on my 3rd fret to open on string 1 and then string 2. 2nd fret, look at that, with my middle finger to open on string 3 and on string 4. Pull-offs are super duper fun. I hope you have a great time. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you next time.